Hello, parents and students. This is Arshita, and welcome to my channel Loft Academia. Today, we will be discussing IMO International Mathematics Olympiad for Class 3, Chapter 3 Fractions. The various topics which will be covered in this will be like fractions, concept of numerator and denominator in a fraction, how to represent part of a whole as a fraction, so which is also the definition of fraction, word problems, finding the fraction of shaded unshaded parts in the figure, arranging fraction in descending or ascending order, addition and subtraction of like fractions. Let us move to the first section, which is mathematical reasoning. Which of the following shows 1 upon 3 shaded part? So out of total 3, 1 should be the shaded part. Okay, so let's look at the options which are given. So this is 2 parts are shaded out of total 4 parts. So 4 will be my denominator and 2 will be numerator. It will be 2 upon 4. Not answer to this question because we are looking for 1 upon 3. Option B. How many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3. So out of 3, 1 is shaded. So 1 upon 3, which is same as this. So should be answer to my question. But let's also look at the other options. So this is out of total 4 parts, 1 is shaded. Okay, total 4 में से 1 shaded है. So 1 upon 4 not answer to this question. Let us look at option D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So out of 12, 5 are shaded. So 5 upon 12. Hence option B is the answer to the question. Please tick it. Moving to the next question, question number 2. Which of the following represents fraction of green capsicums? So as you can see, there are different capsicums given. Red capsicum, also known as red pepper, green capsicum or green pepper, yellow capsicum or yellow pepper. Okay, how many total capsicums are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So my denominator is 16. Okay, so fraction of green capsicums मतलब 16 कैप्सिकम्स में से 16 कैप्सिकम में से कितने ग्रीन कैप्सिकम्स हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my numerator will be 5 and denominator will be total number of capsicums, which is 16. So the fraction is 5 upon 16, which is option B. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question. Question number 3. Which of the following statements is correct about the given figure? So let us look at the given figure. We have been given total number of triangles as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total number of triangles are 8. So हमारा denominator is 8, right? Okay. And let us now look at numerator. Okay, numerator will be 2. So अगर shaded part ही देखा जाए तो it will be 2 upon 8. Okay, so now let us look at the questions which are given on this one. Option A. Whole is divided into 8 equal parts. That is true. This whole thing is divided into 8 equal parts. इसको 8 parts में divide किया है. That's true. Shaded fraction is 2 upon 8. हमने just find out किया it is 2 upon 8. And unshaded fraction is 6 upon 8. Okay, that is also correct. So which means answer to this question should be option D, all of these. Please tick it. And that is why kid, I always mention to look for all the options. सारे options check करो, read करो properly and then only conclude with your answers. Moving on to the next question, question number 4. Which of the following sets of fractions are arranged in descending order? So for this kind of question, we should look at the options which are given. So let us look at option A. you can see all the denominators are same, which is 5, and it is arranged in actually ascending order, not descending. So that's not the answer to our question. Next option B, if you look at all the denominators are same, which is 5, and if you look at the numerators, yes, they are arranged in descending order. So B should be answer to our question, but let us still look at option C and D. C, all denominator is 2, but it is actually arranged in a jumbled fashion, not neither ascending nor descending. So not an answer. And option D, denominator is same at 2, but if you look at the numbers, they are again jumbled. So hence option B is the answer to the question. Please tick it and transfer all the answers to the OMR sheet. Moving on to the next question, question number 5. Which of the following figures has least shaded fraction? Okay, so in सबका fraction first of all find out करना है of the shaded part. Okay, so for example, here the shaded fraction is 1 upon 6. So let me resolve all of them. Resolving all of them. As you can see, total number of parts, sub में total number of parts is 6. And that's why denominator is 6 in all of them. So we just have to compare the numerator to find the least shaded fraction. So least among all of them with numerator as least is 1 upon 6. Hence answer A, option A is the answer to this question. Let us look at the next question. In the word mathematics, what fraction of letters are consonants? So for this, first we have to find total number of letters. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So इसमें total 11 letters है. So मेरा denominator is going to be 11. Okay, which is also there in all the options. Now let us look at how many consonants are there. Okay, which will decide your numerator. Okay, so consonants कितने हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 upon 11 should be answer to this question. Please tick it. Moving to the next question, question number 7. Which of the following figures represent 2 upon 6 part unshaded? Okay, unshaded part should be 2 upon 6. Okay, for that we should first resolve all the options and see what fractions they represent. Resolving the unshaded part, जो part shade नहीं किया है, and hence option C is the answer to this question. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question, question number 8. Monica likes all numbers which have 0 at the units place. What fraction of numbers in the box she dislikes? Okay, so let us see how many total numbers are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are total 11 numbers in this particular box. And she loves the numbers which are ending with 0. And she hates the numbers which are not ending with 0. So she dislikes them. So let's see how many numbers she dislikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, she dislikes 6 numbers out of this box. So 6 upon 11 should be the answer to this question, which is nothing but option C. Please tick it. Moving to the next question, question number 9. What fraction of given shapes is 3D shapes? So let us see total number of shapes. कितने total shapes है पहले वो निकालते हैं so that we can determine the denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total shapes are 9. Our denominator is 9, which you can see in the options as well. अभी 3D shapes का fraction निकालना है. So let's look at 3D shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 out of 9, which is 5 upon 9, is the fraction of 3D shapes, which is option C. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question, question number 10. What fraction of curved lines in the given figure is green? Okay, curved lines which are green. So let's look at the figure. Let us find out total number of curved lines. So, which is curved lines is this one circle is 1, this curved line is second, and this curved line is third. So total 3 curved lines you have, out of which how many of them are green? 1 and 2. So 2 upon 3 should be answer to, which is nothing but option D. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question, question number 11. If whole circle is equal to one whole, then 2 1 upon 4 is equal to what? So 2 of 1 upon 4 can also be written as 2 plus 1 upon 4. Okay, so you have to find two wholes. Okay, two whole circles plus 1 upon 4 circle. मतलब shaded part will be 1 and total parts will be 4. So let's look at this. यहाँ पे 2 whole है, but the shaded part is 2 upon 4, but we are looking for 1 upon 4. In this option B, you have 3 whole shaded circles. So ये तो drop ही हो गया. Here you have 2 and plus 1 upon 4. So this should be answer to this question. But let's look at option D as well. So यहाँ पे भी 3 whole है. So again, which proves that C is the answer to this question. Please tick it and transfer all your answers to OMR sheet. Moving on to the next question, question number 12. What fraction of the given figure is shaded? So let's closely look at the figure. Okay, so as you can see, there are lot of triangles which are there. So let us look at the total number of triangle. अगर हमें total number of triangle मिल गया तो we will get the denominator 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. इसको split करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. So before that let me split all of them. Okay, all of them are split except for this one. So let us count it again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. So our denominator is 24. अब shaded parts कितने हैं? 1 2 3 4. I have to take them as 2 because triangles ले रहे हैं ना हम लोग, half of the triangles. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 upon 24 should be answer to the question, which is option C. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question, question number 13. In the word consonants, what fraction of letters are vowels? Okay, so इस word में कितने vowels हैं? That will determine the fraction. Okay, first let us look at total number of letters. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So our denominator is 10. How many vowels are there? 1 2 3. So we have total 3 vowels in consonants. So which is 3 upon 10, which is option C, is the answer to this question. Please tick it. Question number 14. Which of the following figures is correctly matched with its shaded fraction? Okay, so यहाँ पे फिगर दिया है, उसका शेडेड फ्रैक्शन दिया है. सो यहाँ पे 1/3 है. दिस इज अ करेक्ट मैच. Should be answer to our question, but let us still look at other options. It is shaded, the only one part is shaded out of 4. So this should be 1/4, not 1/2. Mm-mm, not the answer. Here, out of 6 stars, 3 stars are shaded. So 3/6 should be the answer. Okay. Okay. Now let us look at option D, where you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 triangles are there, out of which 3 are shaded. 3/8 hona chahiye, na ki 1/2. So which proves option A is answer to this question. Moving on to the next question. Question number 15. Which of the following makes the given statement true? So we have given 5/11. We have to compare 5/11 and 3/11. In both the fractions, denominator are same, which is 11. Okay, so then we just have to look at the numerator. सिर्फ numerators को देखो, and numerator में between 5 and 3, 5 is greatest, and hence option B is the answer to this question, which means 5/11 will also be greater than 3/11. Please tick option B. Moving on to the next question, question number 16. If this whole triangle is one whole part, okay, then what are we going to have with this plus this? So यहाँ पे whole part is 1, okay, and that triangle is this triangle 1. सिर्फ इसको divide करके दिखाया, but it doesn't mean anything. It is still 1. So 1 plus, out of 2, 1 is shaded, 1/2. So 1.5. Okay, 1/2, 1.5, which is option A. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question, question number 17. Fraction of the digit 2 in the given arrangement is dash. So fraction of digit 2, we have to see how many times digit 2 is coming. But before that, let us find out how many total numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So there are total 30 numbers in this particular arrangement, out of which how many twos are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 twos are there. So which means 7/30. Option C is the answer to this question. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question, question number 18. Which two figures have equal shaded fraction? Okay, so you have been given figure 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let us resolve what fractions they represent for the shaded part. Resolving them in the fraction for the shaded part. So the first one is, figure 1 is 3/4. Figure 2 is 2/4. 3 is 2/4 and 4 is 3/4. So which means 1 and 4 are same and 2 and 3 are same. They are equal. So which is nothing but option A. Please tick it and transfer all your answers to the OMR sheet. Moving on to the next question, question number 19. How many parts of the given figure should be shaded to make 3/8 shaded figure? So let us closely look at the figure which is given. Okay, so as you can see, there are triangles, total number of triangles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have to show the shaded part as 3/8. So out of 8, 3 figures or 3 triangles should be shaded in order to get this fraction. That's why answer to this question is 3, which is option C. Please tick it. Let us move to the next question. Question number 20. What fraction of the given tomatoes are red? So let us look at what tomatoes we have been given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so we have been given 13 tomatoes. Total 13 tomatoes हैं. ठीक है, अब इसमें से रेड कितने हैं? How many of them are red? Those are 7. Okay, so the fraction of red tomatoes in this particular arrangement is 7 upon 13, which is nothing but option B. Please tick it and transfer all your answers to the OMR sheet. Let us move to the next section, everyday mathematics of this particular chapter. Question number 21. In a bird cage, there are 2 sparrows and 3 parrots. Rohan has 5 such bird cages. Okay. What fraction of total number of birds are parrots? So, one cage has 2 sparrows and 3 parrots. So, 5 such bird cages will have 5 multiplied by 2, which is 10 sparrows, and how many parrots? 3 multiplied by 5, 15 parrots. Total number of birds is 25. 10 plus 15, 25. ठीक है, सो टोटल 25 हो गए, 25 हो गया. ओके, बिकॉज रोहन इज हैविंग 5 सच बर्ड केजेस, इसलिए ये सब नंबर हमने 5 से मल्टीप्लाई किए. सो 10 हो गया, 15 हो गया. नाउ द क्वेश्चन सेज व्हाट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ टोटल नंबर ऑफ बर्ड्स आर पैरट्स. सो पैरट्स का फ्रैक्शन क्या है? 15 अपॉन 25, which is nothing but option D. Please tick it. In a bus, there are 42 passengers. Out of these, 14 upon 42 are women. Okay, मतलब 14 women हो गए. Out of 42, 14 are women. ठीक है. Find the number of men in the bus. So 42 minus 14 are the men, which is nothing but when you solve 42 minus 14, you get answer as 28, which is option B. Please tick it. 28 men are there in the bus. Moving to the next question, question number 23. A pie was divided into 5 equal parts. Nyasa ate 1/5 of the pie, Tony ate 2/5 of the pie, and Jenny ate 1/5 of the pie. What fraction of the pie was eaten by children? Okay, so let us first draw a pie to understand this. This is how the pie would look like if it is divided into 5 equal parts. So Nyasa ate 1/5 of the pie, right? So let me put Nyasa as N. Okay? Tony ate how much of pie? 2/5. So Tony has eaten 2 pieces. ठीक है, pie में से 2/5 बोले तो. Jenny ate 1/5 of the pie. Jenny ate 1/5. बचा कितना? Only 1/5 now. But the question says what fraction of pie was eaten by the children. So हमें इनका total निकालना है. So it is 4 pieces actually were eaten. Right? If we have to put this in fraction, it is 4 upon total number of pieces, which is 5. So 4 upon pi, option A is the answer to this question. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question, Niharika bought the fruits given in the adjoining figure from the market. What fraction of fruits are bananas in the basket? So let us closely look at the basket of fruits given. As you can see, there are a couple of fruits which are bought by Niharika. Okay, so let us count total number of fruits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total number of fruits which are bought are 9. ठीक है, so हमारा denominator हो गया 9. Now the question is what is the fraction of bananas in the basket? So bananas कितना है? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bananas, 4 out of 9. 4 upon 9, which is nothing but option A. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question, question number 25, and last question of this particular section, everyday mathematics. There are 10 fish in an aquarium. So total 10 है, ठीक है? 3 of them are goldfish. Okay, what fraction of fish are not goldfish? So 3 goldfish है, मतलब 7 is not goldfish out of 10. So, which means 7 upon 10 is the fraction which is not goldfish, which is option B. Please tick it and transfer all your answers to the OMR sheet. Let us move to the last section of this particular chapter, Achievers section, also known as HOTS, and they carry 2 marks each in the question paper. Question number 26. Read the following statements carefully and match the columns. Vidhi has 60 apples. Okay. She gave 1/3 of it to her sister, 1/5 of the remaining to her brother. Okay. So she has 60 apples. She gave 1/3 of it to her sister. So 1/3 of 60, which means 60 multiplied by 1 upon 3, which is nothing but 20. So 20 apples were given to her sister. There is a catch in this particular question. Okay. She has given 1/5 of the remaining to her brother. मतलब अभी उसके पास जो एप्पल बचे हैं, आफ्टर गिविंग 20 एप्पल्स टू सिस्टर, उसके बाद कितने एप्पल बचे हैं? 40. So 1/5 of that 40 she has given to her brother. ठीक है, 1/5 of 40 is what? It is nothing but 1 upon 5 multiplied by 40, which is equal to 40 upon 5, which is nothing but 8. So number of apples she gave to brother is 8. Now let us look at column A and column B and see what has been given. Looking at column A and column B, let's see. Option A, first A statement, the number of apples she gave to her sister is 20. We just solved that, correct? So A goes to 2. Looking at all the options, A goes to 2. It should be either A or C. ये दोनों आंसर नहीं हो सकता, ठीक है? Number of apples she gave to her brother. She gave 8 apples to her brother. ठीक है? Number of apples left with her. She gave 20 to her sister. उसके बाद brother को 8 दिए. Right? So 40 में से पहले 60 में से 20 she gave. Remaining 40 में से 8 she gave to brother. So 40 minus 8 is 32. So 32 is what is left with her. Okay. So A goes to 2, B goes to 1. A goes to 2, B goes to 1, and C goes to 3, which is option C is the answer to this question. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question, question number 27. If a gift box is equal to 2 sunflower, and if you look at the next equation, it says 3 sunflowers plus 3 gift boxes is equal to 1 whole. Okay, then what we need to do is then express 2 sunflower and 1 box as a fraction of the whole. Okay, so let's first start resolving this equation. So resolving this equation, what we found out is this 1 box can be written as 2 sunflowers, right? This 1 box is 2 sunflowers. तो ये equation को हम यहाँ use कर सकते हैं. मैं सबको sunflowers में convert कर रही हूँ, ठीक है? So sunflower ये तो as is है. Then there are 2 more sunflower, 2 more sunflower, 1 sunflower, 2 sunflowers and 1 sunflower. So total कितने हुए? Total 6, 7, 8, 9. So our denominator should be 9. ठीक है? So 9 sunflowers are there in all. उसमें से now we have to represent this as a fraction of that whole part. So this is one sunflower, two sunflower and two more sunflowers because this box is two sunflowers. So हुए कितने? Total 4. Okay, so my numerator is going to be 4. 4 upon 9, which is option B. Please tick it. Moving on to the next question, question number 28. Jay and Nihal will paint the circle shown here. If Jay will paint 2 upon 8 of the circle and Nihal will paint another 3 upon 8 of the circle, then what fraction of the circle is left to paint? Okay, so let's closely look at the circle. Okay, so there are 8 parts in this particular circle. Cool, great. Jay is painting 2 upon 8. So Jay ne ye do. 2 is the numerator. So he painted 2 of this, 2 parts of this particular circle. Nihal painted 3 upon 8. Right? So he painted another 3. So far 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are painted by Jay and Nihal together. Now the question says, then what fraction of the circle is left to be painted? So the fraction of unshaded part is left to be painted, which is 3 upon 8. Okay, 3 upon 8, which is option D. Answer to this question, please tick it. Moving on to the next question, question number 29. Select the correct statements. So हमें 4 statements दिए, we have to find out the correct one. Okay. First statement, 5 upon 26 represents the fraction of vowels in English alphabets. That is correct because we have 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. Right? So out of 26 letters or alphabets in English, 5 are vowels. So which makes this fraction of vowels at 5 upon 26. So this looks correct, but I think we should check all of them to make sure either A is answer or something else is the answer. Let's see. Let us look at option B. Out of 2 dozen bananas, 12 are rotten. Okay. So 2 dozen bananas, matlab 24. 12 are rotten. Okay. The fraction of not rotten banana is 12 upon 24. And that is correct because 12 are rotten, 12 are not rotten. So which makes that fraction as 12 upon 24. So first and second both are correct. I think third should also be correct in order for us to take D as the answer. But let us look. You have been given 5 fractions and they are in ascending order. If you closely look, all the denominators are same. So we just have to now check the numerators and they are indeed in ascending order. So which means option D, all of this should be answer to this question. Okay, so kids, in such questions or any other question for that matter, you should check all the options to confirm your answer. Don't just look at one and give answer and just do hurry bari work. Don't do that, you will end up losing marks. Okay, so please tick option D as the answer to this question and transfer all your answers to the OMR sheet. Moving on to the next question, which is question number 30, which is the last question of this section and the chapter as well. Find the value of P, Q, and R. Okay, so let's look at first option to see what P is. 4 upon 13 plus 7 upon 13 is equal to P. As you can see, the denominators are same, so you can actually just add the numerators. So 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 upon 13. So P should be 11 upon 13. So out of the given options here, 11 upon 13 is in option A or B. So this should be, out of these two, we should have the answer. C and D are discarded. Okay, so let's look at second question. अभी second question check करते हैं. So 8 upon 15 minus 4 upon 15 is equal to Q. Simple subtraction है, denominator same है. So 15 will be your denominator and numerator will be 8 minus 4, which is 15 will be your denominator and numerator will be 8 minus 4, which is 4. So 4 upon 15 is the answer, which means option B should be answer, because P आया है 11 upon 13, Q आया है 4 upon 15. So we should get R as 9 upon 10. Let's see. So 10 is a common denominator, 10 as is रखना है, 4 plus 3 which is 7, 7 plus 2 which is 9. So 9 upon 10, and hence option D is the answer to this question. Please tick it and transfer all your answers to the OMR sheet. This is how a sample OMR sheet looks like. Okay, you have to shade your answer. So question number 30, we found out B is the answer. So we have to shade B over here. And that has to be done against 30. 30 के बाजू का ही B करना है. अगर गलती से यहाँ वहाँ शेड किया तो ये गलत हो जाएगा आंसर, because only this particular part will be recognized. या 29 में जो भी आंसर है only that will be recognized. Okay, so कुछ गलत किया यहाँ का वहाँ, whether you have take things correctly or not, it doesn't matter. उससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. फर्क यहाँ पड़ता है क्या शेड किया गया है. यहाँ पे शेड करना अगर मिस किया तो देन वो आंसर अटेम्प्ट ही नहीं किया ऐसा समझा जाएगा, and you will end up losing marks. So hence please practice shading OMR sheet as soon as you're done answering a question. Immediately करो तो practice रहेगा वो. Okay, so with this we completed our third chapter, fractions. So let us move to the table of content and put a tick mark on fraction and give yourself a thumbs up. And yes, we completed this chapter as well. Thank you so much for watching this video till this point in time. Please show your love and support with your subscription to my channel Loft Academia. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye bye.